We work on multiple projects at the same time. Also, we have generated a revenue of 2.5 lakh rupees from these projects. So we don't just train you, but give you the opportunity to work on real client projects, which helps you grow exponentially. Mind it when I say collaborative projects because we have done actual collaboration with over 4,000 commits on GitHub. BTech is aimed to make you industry ready, skilled individual capable of solving problems and building products. Secondly, there are high paying software engineering jobs in FANG companies and people die for it. अब इस पूरे सिनेरियो में प्रॉब्लम क्या है? प्रॉब्लम है CP. जी हाँ, कॉम्पिटिटिव प्रोग्रामिंग, वन एग्जाम फिट्स ऑल वाली मेंटालिटी. जिस तरीके से बिना जेई क्लियर किए कोई इंजीनियर बन सकता है, इन अ सिमिलर वे बिना सीपी करे कोई सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर भी बन सकता है. Namaskaram and welcome to the FANG-X Academy. This is an attempt to question the existing educational methodologies of BTech CSE and to show you the alternative way, the way that satisfies the expected outcomes of computer science and engineering. This session will be eye-opening one for everyone, especially first and second year students. आज हम आपको एक काफ़ी अच्छी आशा की किरण दिखाएंगे. आपको काफ़ी ज़्यादा अटेंशन एंड पॉजिटिव स्कोप के साथ इसे देखना और सुनना होगा. तो क्या होने वाला है आज इस सेशन में? मैं आज आपको ट्रूथ, एक नया पर्सपेक्टिव, एक अल्टरनेटिव वे दिखाने वाला हूँ एंड उससे आप क्या कर सकते हैं वो बताने वाला हूँ. एंड ये पाथवे काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है. शुरुआत करते हैं इस सवाल से. वाई आर वी डूइंग बीटेक? लेट्स ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट्स द डिफरेंस बिटवीन बीई एंड बीटेक. सो बीई का मेन फोकस होता है थ्योरेटिकल सीएस पर, बट बीटेक का मेन फोकस होता है स्किल्स एंड प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज पर. स्किल्स, प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज, ये क्या चीज है? इसका मतलब ये है कि बीटेक ड्यूरेशन में आपको एक्चुअली में एक प्रोडक्ट बनाना आ जाना चाहिए. सिंपली पुट, बीटेक इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट. सो बीटेक का एम एक पर्सन को प्रोडक्ट बिल्ड करने के केपेबल बनाना होता है. इन दी एंड यही मैटर करता है. अब प्रोडक्ट क्या है? एक ऐसा सॉल्यूशन जो कोई स्पेसिफिक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर रहा हो. मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द सॉल्यूशंस पेड एंड क्लोज्ड सोर्स होते हैं, बट कुछ ओपन सोर्स भी होते हैं. तो पॉइंट ये है कि जब तुम अपनी बीटेक पूरी करोगे तो तुमसे ये एक्सपेक्ट किया जाता है कि आपने कोई प्रैक्टिकल प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल बिल्ड कर ली है और आप या तो कोई एग्जिस्टिंग प्रोडक्ट को इंप्रूव कर सकते हो या खुद का नया प्रोडक्ट बना सकते हो फॉर सॉल्विंग अ प्रॉब्लम. इन शॉर्ट, यू शुड बी एबल टू इनोवेट. बीटेक प्रोडक्ट ओरिएंटेड है एंड बीटेक सीएसई में हम मोस्टली सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोडक्ट्स की बात करते हैं. BTech promotes industry-ready workforce which can help local startups make आत्मनिर्भर भारत, be a part of vocal for local, boost our economy. और यही सबसे fastest way है इंडिया की ग्रोथ का. I hope कि आपको क्लियर हुआ होगा what is BTech. Now let me explain more about product and product development jobs. Product एक solution है जिससे कंपनी पैसा कमा रही है और उस solution को और better बनाए रखने के लिए वो jobs निकालती है. प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट के पर्सपेक्टिव से हमारे पास दो तरह की जॉब्स हैं. फर्स्टली सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर जॉब्स एंड सेकेंडली सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग जॉब्स. सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर जॉब्स डोमेन स्पेसिफिक होती है, लाइक एंड्रॉइड डेवलपर, iOS डेवलपर, वेब डेवलपर एक्सेट्रा. Software developers are told in detail what to do and they simply do it. But software engineers are generic. They can write code for anything. Web, Android, iOS, you name it. उन्हें एंटायर सोल्यूशन के बारे में सोचना पड़ता है, टॉप टू बॉटम. सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर्स सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम ऑन अ बिगर लेवल. दे डिजाइन आर्किटेक्चर एंड चूज द प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर बिल्डिंग द सोल्यूशन. सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर इज अ सुपर सेट ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, software engineer earns more than a software developer. So one of the best positions a BTech graduate can aspire for is software engineering. Tech giants mostly hire software engineers and pay them much higher as they are generic and can do pretty much anything related to software development. Let me tell you this, FANG में जिन jobs के लिए लोग मरते हैं वो mostly software engineer की job होती है. In this software engineering also there are multiple levels of jobs from IC1 to IC8. CP करके जो jobs तुम्हें as a fresher मिलेगी वो है IC1. where you will have least or negligible impact on what that company does. 2 से 3 साल मेहनत करने के बाद जब आप लेवल 3 या लेवल 4 तक आते हो तब जाके आप खुद से सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोडक्ट बना पाओगे। एज अ फ्रेशर आपसे कुछ सॉफ्टवेयर बनाने की एक्सपेक्टेशन रखी ही नहीं जाती, सो केवल सीपी के बेसिस पे आपको जज किया जाता है। बट IC3 IC4 लेवल में आपसे सीपी नहीं बट सिस्टम डिजाइन के क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं, जिसमें आपको एक सॉफ्टवेयर का कंप्लीट आर्किटेक्चर डिजाइन करना होता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हाउ विल यू क्रिएट अ जोमेटो लाइक सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोडक्ट? Let's quickly recap what we have discussed so far. Firstly, BTech is aimed to make you industry ready, skilled individual capable of solving problems and building products. Secondly, there are high paying software engineering jobs in FANG companies and people die for it. अब इस पूरे सिनेरियो में प्रॉब्लम क्या है? प्रॉब्लम है CP, जी हाँ, कॉम्पिटिटिव प्रोग्रामिंग, वन एग्जाम फिट्स ऑल वाली मेंटालिटी। जिस तरीके से बिना जेई क्लियर किए कोई इंजीनियर बन सकता है, इन अ सिमिलर वे बिना सीपी करे कोई सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर भी बन सकता है। यस, दैट्स ट्रू। सो व्हाई सीपी गिवन सच अ फेक इंपॉर्टेंस? सीपी से ये कंपनीज आपकी प्रोग्रामिंग एंड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स को जज करना चाहती है, बट सीपी की एक अलग डेप्थ है, लाइक मैथमेटिक्स। इतना ऑप्टिमाइज्ड कोड लिखने की नौबत रेयरली कभी सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट में आती है। सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग के लिए सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट एक्सपीरियंस, एंड उसका केवल एक पार्ट है कोडिंग। केवल सीपी कर लेने से कोई सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर बनने के कैपेबल नहीं हो जाता। तो हम फालतू ही इतनी सीपी वाली मेहनत करने को रेडी कैसे हो जाते हैं जबकि काम वो रेयरली आएगी? खास बात यह है कि ये चीज केवल मैं ही नहीं, काफी लोग बोल रहे हैं। जस्ट गूगल इट आउट कि सीपी सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग में कितनी रेलेवेंट है। बाय द वे, व्हाई सीपी? टू improve problem solving skills. But math also does that. Then why CP? Because it teaches you how to talk with a computer in an efficient way. This is needed just up to a certain point. But problem ये है कि आज हमें पता ही नहीं कि CP start किस point पे करनी है और end किस पे. It has become an endless rat race because of the large number of aspirants. Over the years, products of tech giant companies got bigger, so now they want optimization. For this, they require a CP guy. But at last, product and development matters the most. It is not necessary that all CP people are good at programming. आज जो हाल गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स का है वही हाल सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग जॉब्स का भी है। That is, there are many more applicants than the vacancies. Applicants come from all over the world, tier 1, 2, 3 colleges of India. How will you compete? And clearly, not all applicants can get into FANG. So, what will the majority of people end up doing? So, this is where we, FANG X, come into the picture. We are about to present you FANG X, the alternative way, which can be way better than FANG if you are on the right path. You may not be able to understand our path in one go, so please raise any queries you might have after this presentation. As I said, once FANG was my dream company also, but later I realized that it was a wrong decision because dream company is where you want to work in collaboration with highly talented people to solve a great problem. But do you really think that this will happen when you join a company? Every company has its own vision and mission. Vision means what do you want in the end? Like we want to improve the education system. Mission means how will you achieve your vision? Like we will achieve by creating maximum number of freelancers or talent. If a company's vision and mission matches with you, then go for it. But if not, then listen carefully. Best dream company केवल खुद की ही हो सकती है, जहां का विजन एंड मिशन तुम जैसा देख सकते हो वैसा और कोई नहीं। ये विजन एंड मिशन रातों रात डिसाइड नहीं होता, इट टेक्स टाइम एंड एफर्ट। सो जब तक खुद का विजन एंड मिशन ना हो तो एटलीस्ट ऐसे पर्सन या कंपनी को फॉलो करो जिसका विजन एंड मिशन तुम्हें रिलेवेंट लगे। फैंग कंपनीज आज जिस लेवल पर हैं उससे ये क्लियर है कि दे आर रियली वर्किंग ऑन देयर मिशन एंड दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू चेंज देयर मिशन अकॉर्डिंग टू योर आइडियाज। सो बिफोर फॉलोइंग एनी पर्सन और कंपनी, डू चेक देयर विजन एंड मिशन। देन चेक कि क्या वो उस विजन को पाने के लिए मिशन पर काम कर रहे हैं क्या। इफ यस, देन यू कैन ज्वाइन। एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, better work for a small firm where you can make a big difference rather than working in a big firm where you make no difference. अब चेक कैसे करोगे कि तुम्हें किसको फॉलो करना है और क्या वो सही लोग हैं? तो कुछ टेक्निक है जिससे तुम अपना पाथ फाइंडर ढूंढ सकते हो। आस्क देम, आर यू इन योर ड्रीम कंपनी? Why is it your dream company? What steps have you taken to fulfill your dream company's vision? Will you ever switch your dream company to get a hike? Ask them for proof as to what impact they are creating, what difference they are making in their dream company. इन सवालों के जवाब से तुम्हें आइडिया लग जाएगा कि कौन कैसी कंपनी में है, और अगर तुम्हें सच में लगता है कि वो सही में उसकी ड्रीम कंपनी में है तो फॉलो हिम और हर। सो फार मैंने आपको बताया कि बीटेक का ऑब्जेक्टिव होता है रियल वर्ल्ड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग एंड प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट। बेस्ट चीज है सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग, बट फैंग में जाने का पाथ सही नहीं है, तो सॉल्यूशन है फैंग एक्स। कम लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड द फैंग एक्स प्रिंसिपल्स। हमने इन्हीं प्रिंसिपल्स को फॉलो करके हमारी कम्युनिटी स्टैब्लिश करी थी एंड आज भी हम इन्हीं प्रिंसिपल्स पे वर्क करते हैं। फैंग एक्स प्रिंसिपल्स आर एज फॉलोज। Firstly, learn a development skill like app development, web development, applied ML, AR, VR, etc. Then, see a problem worthwhile solving. Get your hands dirty. Think of a solution and put your skills to test. Research and implement the solution using your skills and solidify your skills if needed. This is when your skills will build knowledge in you, which is the most important part. Then, release the solution, get actual users, and based on the user feedback, improve the solution. Ultimately, a product is built. This is actual software engineering. CP एंड फैंग वाला पाथ फॉलो करके तुम्हें अपनी जॉब में इतनी पावर 2 या 3 साल के एक्सपीरियंस के बाद मिलेगी। एंड इफ सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग इज नॉट योर कप ऑफ टी, देन यू वॉन्ट नो until you spend this much time in any company. So Fang X says to complete all the above steps in the BTech journey itself and build your skills and knowledge. If you succeed, then there is no need to seek any job. You can build your own brand based on your skills, knowledge, portfolio, and experience. You can be a freelancer, start your own company, and enjoy the freedom a mediocre employee can only dream of. When talking of software engineering, you have two options. Either do CP, get into Fang or any other tech company, or follow the FangX principles and be a freelancer. Let's compare both the pathways. फैंग एंड फैंग एक्स दोनों में मनी तो इक्वली है। इनफैक्ट फैंग एक्स से आप इन हैंड और भी ज्यादा अर्न कर सकते हो। सीपी फैंग में कंपलसरी है बट फैंग एक्स में नहीं। फैंग ड्रीम कंपनी हो ये कोई जरूरी नहीं है, बट फैंग एक्स में आपका स्किल सेट एंड एक्सपीरियंस ही इतना होगा कि आप खुद का प्रोडक्ट बना सकते हो, खुद की कंपनी स्टार्ट कर सकते हो। VCS टूल्स सीपी में केवल कोड सेव करने के काम आएंगे, बट डेवलपमेंट में आप उससे एक्चुअल कोलैबोरेशन करोगे एंड सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट लाइफ साइकिल से गो थ्रू होगे। डेवलपमेंट स्किल्स गिव यू द पावर टू इम्पैक्ट ह्यूमन लाइव्स बाय बिल्डिंग सॉफ्टवेयर्स। लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, इट विल हेल्प यू अंडरस्टैंड कोर CS। जब बात आती है पैसों की, तो डेवलपमेंट यानी कि फैंग एक्स से भी आप अच्छा पैसा अर्न कर सकते हो जितना कि सीपी यानी कि फैंग से। इनफैक्ट आप फैंग एक्स में फैंग से ज्यादा अर्न कर सकते हो। फन फैक्ट, मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आर अनेबल टू जॉइन देयर ड्रीम कंपनी बट स्टिल दे अर्न इक्वल टू दोज हु जॉइन। So money is not a factor of comparison because it is roughly equal on both the paths. Also, दोनों ही fields में time and efforts भी similar लगते हैं. So you can choose anything as money is assured. But the other important thing that matters the most is satisfaction. Ultimately, you may arrive in a company where you earn very well, but will you be satisfied with that job is the question. There are many people who get into Fang, work for 1 or 2 years, resign, and start all over again. Then they train others to get into Fang when they themselves are out of it. What is this? This clearly explains that they are not satisfied with their Fang jobs. And there is a possibility that you also may not be satisfied when you are there. So don't love your goal, love the process, because that is what will stay with you even after you achieve the goal. In other words, love the process of software engineering and not Fang, because even after getting into Fang, software engineering is what you have to do. So why not check right now in BTech that software engineering is for you or not? Come, join us. We will give you the real taste of actual software engineering and problem solving, which you will ultimately be doing by going there also. बीटेक का एम है प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट, सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग एंड रियल वर्ल्ड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग, एंड ये सब इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट फैंग इनकी कदर नहीं करता। मेनी डिजर्विंग कैंडिडेट्स डोंट गेट अ कॉल फ्रॉम फैंग while a less deserving one is able to join in. So the point here is, don't run after Fang or CP. Run after the BTech aim, because that is what matters the most. सत्य वही है। Software development got underrated due to the fake फैंग हाइप। तुम लोगों के पास मल्टीपल पाथ्स हैं टू अर्न मनी, बट अब फैंगेक्स के थ्रू हम बताएंगे कि बीटेक के एम को फुलफिल करते हुए अर्न कैसे करना है। Your aim should be to be in apprenticeship with an expert of any BTech CSE domain like app development, web development, ML, AR, VR, etc. Such an expert should have examples of real world problem solving and product development. But such people are hard to find, as many are just running in the Fang rat race. There is no development community where actual problem solving takes place in collaboration. The products developed by such a community should have daily active users. This real world problem solving is an important part of BTech as it includes all the three CP, development, and core CS. But this reality got suppressed by the fake Fang hype. Now is the time to change it. So, in this community, you will learn actual development and how to bring a product in real life. What software engineering actually is and how is it approached. डेवलपमेंट इज लाइक मैराथन. अगर तुमने इसमें जी जान लगा दी तो ये तुम्हारे लिए काफी सारे डोर्स ओपन कर देगा, लाइक फ्रीलांसिंग, आईटीसी स्टार्टअप्स, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप एक्सेट्रा. बिकॉज इन सब में सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है प्रोग्रामिंग एंड वो तुम हमारी कम्युनिटी का पार्ट बन के सीख सकते हो. सीपी कोडिंग सिखाती है, कोड लिखना सिखाती है, बट कोडिंग इज जस्ट अ पार्ट ऑफ प्रोग्रामिंग. प्रोग्रामिंग में कोड लिखने के साथ साथ आपको एपीआईज, एसडीकेज, टूल्स, प्लेटफॉर्म्स यूज करना आना चाहिए एंड वो सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग एंड सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट लाइफ साइकिल बहुत अच्छे से सिखा देती है. नाउ समराइजिंग ऑल दिस, लेट्स recap what FangX pathway is. FangX fulfills BTech aim, that is real world problem solving using technology and building solutions. CP for Fang may not be the right choice, as it may not be your dream company. Money doesn't count as a deciding factor, but vision and mission does. So focus on FangX principles and not CP. FangX has the potential of building a career for you, that too with a solid foundation. Meet the leader. On what basis are we presenting you this path? What are my qualifications? Firstly, I cracked the gate with AIR 1062, which shows that I have knowledge of core CS. Plus, I have scored top CGPA in college as well. Secondly, I am working in TopTal, which helped me get a top paying freelancing job at ACI Worldwide, where I currently earn $35 an hour or rupees 1 lakh per week. Yeah, that's in hand, cash, and not CTC. And for this, I have fought coding rounds and multiple interviews. So I know programming and I do freelancing. Sorry, I do not aim at bragging about my income, but I wanted to show you that there is a life of freelancing way beyond Fang. I have a deep experience in software product development as I have gone through the entire SDLC and released 12 plus Android applications, working alone as well as leading a team of 20 junior developers. I have solved many interesting questions in CP also because once Fang was my dream company too. Here is a fun fact. My hourly rate totally depends upon my mood. Means my salary and promotion are decided by me. I can change my hourly rate whenever I want. This is a different story, so I will cover this in another video. The point is, I am not some era gera nattu gera coming here and talking about some random thing. FangX is a conclusion of our BTech journey experiences, and we loved it so much that today we are here to share it with you. Not only for your benefit, but an attempt to make Bharat Sone ki Chidiya once again. Let me now walk you through our journey, what we have done. Our journey resembles the FangX path. I started with Android app development in third semester. We observed several problems in the college life, like students asking for notes, previous year question papers, faculty contact numbers, and even mess food menu on the WhatsApp groups. Indoor wayfindings was a problem. People used to ask where is LT13, where is Lab 2, etc. So I challenged myself to solve these real world problems using my newly learned Android app development skill. And I did solve these problems. That is when JUEZ was born on Teachers' Day 2018. Based on the feedback received, JUEZ 2.0 was built and released with significant changes in December 2019. With more features and great user experience improvements, JUEZ 3.0 was released in March 2020. Ever wondered why we keep saying real world problem solving, real world problem solving? Because you can never build a product perfect in one go. You have to do multiple iterations based on the feedback you receive from users and clients. And that is when you actually learn a technology. Your skills are actually put to test. The information you grabbed from a course transforms into knowledge. And this is what is required. Real world problems makes you skillful. After completing several internships and freelancing projects, we released several more apps to the Play Store. Then we started training juniors in Android app development. Our course duration varies from 3 to 5 months. We have successfully trained 20 plus students. The students who completed the course were given real client projects to work on. We have already finished 2 batches of our Android training program, one in 2020 and one in 2021. We also have 13 plus hours of videos on Android app development on YouTube. Students of our community have successfully completed 7 projects under our guidance. Ambika Parts, a lottery and online business management application which has been released twice. Byaj Book, a phenomenal interest calculator and bill management application, released twice. Karobar Easy, business management app with location tracking and QR attendance. Version 3.0 is in development currently. Dhanimall, a gambling app, 3 versions already released. Danpatra, a donations app, released twice, and Flutter app to be released soon. Locateen, indoor maps app with 3 iterations. Funbazi, another gambling app. Along with this, MoveDays, JUEG 4.0, Ambika Parts 3.0, and Logzo are in define phase. So we work on multiple projects at the same time. Also, we have generated a revenue of 2.5 lakh rupees from these projects. So we don't just train you, but give you the opportunity to work on real client projects, which helps you grow exponentially. Mind it when I say collaborative projects because we have done actual collaboration with over 4,000 commits on GitHub. These are our teams which collaborate to build software products. One of the products our team has developed is Locateen. It is an improved next big version of indoor maps feature in JUEZ, that is Campus Guide. The one in JUEZ is the older one. We created Indoor Maps app from scratch with many major improvements, and the new version of it is used today in Xavier's College. It is named Xavine and is available on Play Store. We have represented the Locateen project in SIH 2019 Grand Finale. We were among the top 15 teams all over India in Google's BFDI event. We have won a seed funding of Rs 50,000 and a co-working space from JECRC Incubation Center. We have been the TIE Jaipur runner-up 2021. We have also been the winners in a few hackathons. We have many other interesting stories to share, but keeping the time constraint in mind, let's keep it for chit-chat after you join our community. What next? Well, we have an announcement to make. We are starting our third batch in mid-December, which will be a Kotlin training program. And this batch will be a massive improvement over the previous batches. Following are the opportunities our third batch brings on the table exclusively for you. Firstly, you can dive into various domains like Android, cross-platform app development, web development, desktop application development, server-side, machine learning, data science, you name it. Using Kotlin, you can learn practical programming. You can learn the BTech CSE subjects like OOPS, OAD, UML, DBMS, OS, CN, SE, SPM, and CG. You can learn the modern Android app development skills, Jetpack Compose, using which you can design cross-platform UIs. Learn Firebase, database design and architecture. Learn server-side programming using Ktor, MongoDB and SQL. Learn UI UX design, Jira, how to manage a product and entrepreneurship. Learn Git and GitHub. At last, learn how to earn. See what a boss baby programming language Kotlin is. Registrations for our Kotlin course are open. The course is free for now. Register now from the link given below. Now, who should join us? Well, anyone who wants to make a big difference or impact, who wants to experience BTech in its true sense, who want to experience the power of programming, who wants to understand and experience software development or product development lifecycle, who wants to become a freelancer, who wants to do actual open source contribution, who wants to pursue entrepreneurship, and last but not the least, who wants to take a step in improving the education system. We have come towards the end of the talk. Let's conclude. FangX principle or BTech aim is all about real-world problem solving and building products. This aim got suppressed due to the fake Fang hype and students got diverted towards CP. Once you develop a skill, build products, apply that skill in real world, then you need not look for a job. You can be a freelancer and get more benefits than going into Fang. These are our thoughts. Feel free to debate with us on these topics. We believe in honest professional criticism. It helps us to grow. So if you find any issue in this organization, feel free to advise. We believe in be the senior you wanted your seniors to be. For the past 3 years, we have been working on these principles and the results are in front of you. If you have patience, dedication, and consistency, then join us. You will be unstoppable and we promise you freedom. It's like तुम मुझे अपना समय दो and मैं तुम्हें तुम्हारी आजादी दूंगा. I would like to end the talk with a disclaimer. We respect FANG, CP, people who do CP and teach CP. FANG X is just an alternative way for those who are different. This is an attempt from the streamliners to make Bharat Sone ki Chidiya once again. धन्यवाद.